Have you ever wondered if someone is lying to you? Spotting lies isn't about guessing, it's about observing patterns and using proven techniques. In this video, we'll walk you through a clear, step-by-step guide to identifying when someone might not be telling the truth. Step 1. Establish a baseline. Start by observing how the person behaves when they're relaxed and honest. This is their baseline behavior. Pay attention to their typical tone, gestures, and eye contact. Once you know what's normal for them, deviations from this can be more telling. Step 2. Listen for verbal clues. Liars often give themselves away with their words. Look for too much detail. They may add unnecessary information to sound convincing, distancing language. Phrases like "that person" instead of a name can indicate deception, hesitations, or repeated questions. For example, responding to "where were you?" with "where was I?" shows they're buying time. Step 3. Observe body language. Nonverbal cues can betray someone's words. Watch for fidgeting or self-soothing gestures, like rubbing their hands, a sudden lack of or excessive eye contact, expressions that don't match their words, for example, smiling while denying guilt. Step 4. Ask open-ended questions. Liars struggle to keep their story straight when details pile up. Ask open-ended questions like, "Can you walk me through what happened?" and listen carefully to their response. If they hesitate or contradict themselves later, it could be a sign of deception. Step 5. Pay attention to microexpressions. Microexpressions are tiny, involuntary facial expressions that reveal emotions. If someone briefly shows fear or guilt while denying something, it's worth noting. These flashes happen in fractions of a second, so stay observant. Step 6. Look for behavioral clusters. One sign isn't enough to confirm a lie. Instead, look for clusters of behaviors. For example, nervous body language, inconsistent details, and verbal hesitations together create a stronger case for deception. Step 7. Use silence strategically. Liars often feel the need to fill silences with explanations. After asking a question, wait patiently. If they keep talking without being prompted, they might be overcompensating. Step 8. Revisit the topic later. Liars have a harder time remembering their fabricated stories. Revisit the topic later and check for inconsistencies. If their story changes, or they can't recall details they previously mentioned, it's a red flag. Step 9. Trust your gut, but stay objective. Your instincts are valuable, but they shouldn't be your only guide. Combine your observations with logic and context before making any judgments. Misreading someone's behavior could damage trust unnecessarily. Step 10. Create a safe space for honesty. Instead of accusing someone directly, create a safe environment for them to open up. People are more likely to be honest when they feel understood and not attacked. And that's your step-by-step guide to spotting lies. Remember, no single sign guarantees someone is lying. It's about patterns and context. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever caught someone in a lie? Let us know your story below.